Many people say that bluefin tuna cans are the best type of can for making alcohol stoves. But is that true? Today, I'm going to compare it to two other types of tin cans. I'll be making them with a fairly similar design, using the same type of fuel and testing them under the same conditions. Let's see which one actually gives the best results.
This is a can of bluefin tuna. This is a tin I took from a coconut water can. And this is a tin from a soda can I picked up at the junkyard. They differ in thickness and size, but today I'll use a fairly similar design for the fairest comparison.
I'll start by cutting open a bluefin tuna can to make the stove shells. Then I'll drill holes the same size for all three stoves. In my experience, these holes shouldn't be too big. Otherwise, the fuel will escape too quickly, and the flame won't be blue. Just changing a few vent holes will give you the perfect stove. The flame can also vary greatly. So today, I'll make the hole sizes quite similar and suitable for each can. Only the material of the can will be different.
Everything is complete. All three have a fairly similar design. The same number of holes, the same type of fuel. It's time to start testing.
From the start, these stoves ignited quite quickly. The ignition speed varied. The bluefin ignited quite quickly. The large can did the same. But that doesn't tell us much. Let's keep observing. Now I'm going to use the same amount of water. This is the most practical test. If a stove generates more heat, it will boil the water faster. And this is also what I was most curious about before starting this video.
After some time, the water was almost boiling. The differences began to become more apparent. Some kept the flame very steady. Some created a larger flame, but some consumed fuel faster. The results were more interesting than I expected. Even when the fuel is nearly depleted, the stove continues to burn steadily. The changes in each stove are clearly visible. Some remain almost unchanged. Some change color more significantly. This is something to consider if using the stove long term. After the entire testing process, I've come to my own conclusion. If the goal is a compact stove, I would choose this one. If you want a stronger flame, I would choose the other one. And if you want a strong, consistent flame, I prefer this can stove. There's no perfect design for every need. But today, I like the design of the Bluefin Tuna can stove. Its flame is even and strong. I've found the stove that suits me best. And you, which one would you choose? Please share your opinion in the comments. Thank you for watching.